Jenna Ellis, a name that had once been synonymous with unwavering loyalty to former President Donald J. Trump, found herself at a turning point in a high-stakes legal drama that had captivated the nation. She became the third member of Trump's legal team to strike a plea deal, an unexpected twist that followed the footsteps of Sidney Powell and Kenneth Chesebro. More significantly, Ellis marked the fourth among the 19 individuals charged in a sweeping racketeering indictment brought by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis to agree to testify. Jenna Ellis, a pro-Trump lawyer who had played a prominent role in amplifying Trump's baseless claims of election fraud, was now standing before Judge Scott McAfee in Fulton County Superior Court. With a sense of deep remorse, she uttered words that would resonate through the courtroom. "If I knew then what I know now, I would have declined to represent Donald Trump in these post-election challenges," she admitted. She acknowledged her past failures and, in a gesture of accountability, expressed her remorse, not just to the court but to the people of Georgia. In the wake of Trump's electoral defeat in 2020, Ellis had initially believed that contesting the election results on his behalf should have been pursued in a just and legal way. However, in a candid moment of reflection, she confessed to having relied on information provided by other lawyers, some of whom boasted many more years of experience than I. She openly admitted that she had neglected her due diligence in scrutinizing the accuracy of their claims. The lingering question was the extent of her involvement in the plea agreement. As part of the deal, Ellis might cooperate with Willis' ongoing efforts to prosecute the other defendants, a list that included prominent figures such as Trump, attorney Rudy Giuliani, former Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, and more. Ellis had pleaded guilty to one count of aiding and abetting false statements and writings. The terms of her agreement included 5 years of probation, a $5,000 restitution payment to the Georgia Secretary of State, 100 hours of community service, and a written apology to the state of Georgia. She was also barred from contacting the media and her co-defendants. In the initial indictment, Ellis had faced charges of racketeering and soliciting members of the Georgia Senate to falsely declare Trump as the winner, not President Joe Biden. Specifically, Ellis had pleaded guilty to aiding and abetting attorney Rudy Giuliani and Ray Stallings Smith in making false statements to members of the Georgia Senate. These claims included the false assertion that tens of thousands of illegal votes had been counted in the closely contested 2020 presidential election. Jenna Ellis offered only a few words during the hearing, stating that, given her present understanding, she would have declined the opportunity to represent Trump. It was a moment of reckoning that marked the transformation of a once unwavering supporter into a key figure in a legal saga that had gripped the nation. Surprising fact: in the months leading up to these events, Jenna Ellis had taken to criticizing Trump and his allies for not covering her legal defense expenses in Fulton County. She voiced her concerns on social media, raising questions about why Trump wasn't supporting the legal bills of all those involved, signaling a significant departure from her previous staunch loyalty to the former president. Big number. Ellis had managed to crowdfund an impressive $216,000 for her defense earlier in the year, a testament to the significant attention and public interest in her legal situation.